Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagbenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Shillong ka khot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
UMLA jangka South Shillong constituency ba San Bo Shulai hakikat santri ujemang arajar pausan ulapli panpa yaka police booth ba yaka public toilet hajan Red Cross halaban. Hakijing play yaka police booth ba yaka public toilet ladan langru superintendent of police traffic ka East Khazihurst uke Prasad lembagi nangkit kam jangka dor pasnang.
This is indeed a very significant contributions from the proactive the Pashnongs of the Lawan. The dedicated MLAs, sir, they considered that in donating the traffic booths, which will create the space for the traffic personnels, especially in the rain, in order to regulate the traffic. This is a very important step. We are really expressing our gratitude on behalf of the STP and my officers who are present here. This will indeed help the traffic personnels to regulate the traffic, as it was already mentioned, that this is a very important point which leads to the different directions. And here the presence of the traffic police is very important. In absence of any traffic booths, it's become very difficult, especially in the bad weathers. So by creating the space, we express our gratitude to our honorable MLA that through your generous supports and the proactive supports of the Darbar, of the Lawan Darbars, and the people in general, that have contributed to the need of the traffic personnels. As on behalf of the STP, we want to express our gratitude to all those who are present here, especially to our honorable MLAs, the headmen, secretaries, and all the executive members of the Darbars and the people in general of Lawan. Thank you. May God bless you. Thank you very much.
The problem that we are facing now, and based on the request of the general public of the entire Laban area and Greater Laban area, that we need urgently a police booth. Here a police booth has to enable the traffic department to regulate the flow of traffic and also to see that the safety of the pedestrians, especially the students, the children. So today, with the blessing of God, we have all 60 MLA. We are getting since last year 20 lakhs in the form of a discretionary grant, and through this 20 lakhs, I have sanctioned 1,30,000 to set up this police booth for the interest of the police, the traffic department, and for the interest of the general public. I appeal to each and every one of you through the Darbar Song to kindly. Here in Laban is very different. Always 24/7, be it the Darbar Song or the Sengthai, Sengsamla, and the public of our Laban and Greater Laban area, we are giving our full cooperation with the police department or the traffic department to see that we should maintain peace and harmony in this area, and it is our collective responsibility, and I appeal to everyone. We will continue to strengthen our relationship, our cooperation, to see that in the future also we'll strengthen, to strengthen, be it from the authority of the Darbar Stong, Sengthai, Sengsamla, the authority of the police department, the authority of the various government mechanism will work hand in hand to maintain always peace, harmony in this beautiful area of Greater Laban area. Today, and hand over this lock and key to Honorable SP, and from today onwards, it is your property, you can utilize it. Thank you. Dalam bentar kecing dan kam jompi ya kasuka aru UMLA jukle. Takadau bentar pensuk ya kasuka jompi ngan IT no Indonesia bi apa officer municipal ban nadu sibit mentangan serang saya dia manglit su kan aisan utuknya badin kata seserang pai ba baro bakin sadon nong pun suba te ya trailang ai ke trailang kaneka kamdai ke pom sile pasar ke jungpi na opor pidon kam ban su ban over jable yang ne te butak mo I appeal to each and every one of you who kindly take care and extend your help and support your cooperation with the municipal board and the Lorwashong to run this toilet and urinal facility. Ini di sanitation inspector juga municipal basotun dengan ITFP, but ia penyihat kublisi ada lu ya kecing, ya rapu dobi di department mah.
Kemudian sebelum bang, yang persang bang, yang pengkuat, yang penginternet, yang kesambung jangan rupa, rapat, itu mengadai kedudukan jangan, pernah persang, boleh.